Sneak peek of the countertops. Tiles in. Beautiful wooden sills on the windows with drywall return. And Caesar and his team, who are awesome, matched these wooden trim to the wooden floor. So you can see how that casing matches. It's a nice touch. Let's go peek at the refrigerator. So amazing. The Fisher Pickel, one of our favorites. We like it because it can be panelized and it blends in, and in a small kitchen you don't feel like you're losing too much space for appliances. Also on this project we did a new expanded deck, so made the deck bigger. There's a great wave sail I'll show you in another video. But let me show you the ADU from the deck because I think it's looking quite great. You can see the main house has these little rafter tails that have got little cutouts in them. So we matched the architectural style with the ADU, matched the dormer from the main house, and then just rebuilt the garage with more skylights and natural light. So it's all coming together. Last to be done is the outdoor barbecue.